Stem cells are immature cells that can develop into any cell present in the bloodstream. They are self-renewing, undifferentiated cells with a remarkable capacity to become different types of specialized cells. Hematopoietic stem cells can become a variety of specialized cells, including red blood cells, innate immune cells, and adaptive immune cells. Patients with diseases such as leukemia, lymphomas, multiple myeloma, and other blood-based cancers may need a stem cell transplant as part of their treatment. Treatment for these cancers can cause a patient's hematopoietic stem cells to become damaged and dysfunctional, leaving these patients in desperate need of a stem cell transplant to reconstitute immune and blood function. Donors may be asked to donate either peripheral blood stem cells or bone marrow. Currently, there is a lack of available donors in Canada. 75% of patients cannot find a match within their own family and need to wait on a registry to be able to find a match. There is an urgent need to recruit potential donors on OneMatch, the Canadian Blood Service Stem Cell Registry. The goal of this registry is to find healthy, committed donors for genetic matching to patients who require stem cell transplants. Furthermore, the ethnicity of donors matters. The odds of finding a match if you are of Caucasian descent is 80%. The likelihood of finding a match if you are of a minority descent is 30%, and if you are a member of a smaller ethnic group, your odds can be as low as 1%. Thus, there is a necessity to add potential donors of all ethnicities to the registry. You have the power to save a life. If you go to McMaster University, the Stem Cell Club holds a stem cell drive each year. At this drive or others like it, you will get to talk to the volunteers and discuss how eligible you are to donate. You are eligible to donate if you are between 17 and 35 years of age, in good general health, and have the valid provincial healthcare coverage. Males are also more sought after to donate than females. You may be sent to the registration station, where you will be educated on the donation methods, the risks that come with them, and that you have the right to withdraw at any point between registering and donating. You will need to give your informed consent to be a donor and fill out a registration sheet. You will then get a swab of your inner cheek taken to collect your cells. You will then wait to see if you are a match. You could have a match very quickly, or you may never be contacted. If you are chosen as a match for someone, you will have to undergo a physical exam with a physician and do some medical tests to ensure that you are healthy and able to donate cells safely. If you are eligible to donate, you will have to consent to donate once more. The patient will begin their preparation for the transplant once they are notified that you have consented. There are two different types of stem cell donation. A peripheral blood stem cell donation involves taking the donor's blood, running it through a filter, and returning the filtered blood to the body simultaneously. This is about a 6-hour procedure, and the donor will be given medications beforehand. Some side effects of this type of donation include aches, pain, fatigue, and nausea from the medication. The second type of donation, which is less common, is a bone marrow procedure. In this type of donation, the donor is placed under local anesthesia and the physician places a needle into the marrow of the pelvic bone and extracts the marrow from it. Some risks of a bone marrow procedure include hip pain and soreness around the area that the marrow was extracted, fatigue, and nausea. Donors of either type of donation should expect a very quick recovery time, and they are able to return home shortly after. The McMaster Stem Cell Club is a student-run organization aiming to improve the present and future of regenerative medicine primarily through the recruitment of potential stem cell donors on OneMatch. As mentioned before, the Stem Cell Club holds a stem cell drive each year with the hopes of increasing the registry of potential donors. There are many factors to look for when searching for a donor-recipient stem cell match, with the most important donor factor being the level of HLA protein compatibility. Even between siblings, there is only a 1 in 4 chance that their cells will be a match. Finding a match for a patient that requires a stem cell transplant is like searching for a needle in a haystack. This is why it is so important to have a database that contains multiple potential matches for each patient. Quite literally, by agreeing to be a potential stem cell donor, you are potentially saving someone's life. If you are a McMaster student or faculty member interested in becoming a potential stem cell donor, check in with the McMaster Stem Cell Club for updates on upcoming stem cell drives. If you are unable to attend the next upcoming stem cell drive, visit the links in the description box for more information on how you can become a potential donor. If you are interested in stem cell research, visit the McMaster Stem Cell and Cancer Research Institute. The link is in the bio for more information on the subject. And remember, you have the power to give.